At Pinholt Metal Working, we specialize in producing top-quality ship filters essential for large motorized vessels. These filters play a critical role in cooling water systems and fire suppression setups. With over 25 years of experience, our filters are trusted by a global clientele for both renovating existing ships and constructing new ones. Our standard ship filters, compliant with the DVS 32012 and DVS 32013 standards, come in various flow directions and are made from durable materials like hot-dip galvanized steel and acid-resistant stainless steel. We also offer customized solutions tailored to your specific needs. Our filters feature robust construction with hot-dip galvanized filter housings, stainless steel baskets, and zinc anodes for maximum corrosion protection. They ensure optimal performance with minimal pressure drop, maintaining efficiency and reliability under tough marine conditions. Choose Pinholt Metal Working for your ship filter needs and benefit from short delivery times and unparalleled expertise. Contact us today to learn more about our products and how we can support your marine operations.